Ebusian for Hi Ghana SMTVGH. Message or like, a comment, subscribe, then no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you know.
Unya ba kono because we have nipa 100 a aban no be ho be han no. Na emom kwaku. Wa fe nipa 100 a enka so fe nipa 1000. Esa no a na aye ntro. Wa fe nipa 200 a enka so fa 2000. Esa na aye ntro. Memi se mintim nyina ba bi nka se una bo Kennedy Japan emi adwuma. Because anye bia no me wo ma adwuma ye. Me ye adwuma ma no e ma me adwuma me ma no hwe so tua meka. Be abe ko be 7 years die. Na me adwuma man e wo Ken City Media. But kwaku e ba na me wo Ken City Media no. Me nya sure say ye na ne wo net 2. Ene as friend say o man FM. Na ye kwaku ye no 50 wo. Me nya sure. In fact, say me mani ye din a na metia bobo obi edi na ye no so sa me free ho ekobe efie be miensa etiminim se bia afede wetima fa nipa bibiri e wo Ken City Media se ashe na 2 ene o man family se mudru 100 dia minim because they say kwapo dia accountant kwapo sa aba presenter it is on play double role into no enti minim se die esitie wal minim se Solomon Saso mensa yi nedi woni ho biem minim do besi na na e de oba besi na na minim se enipa bi won so omo so resign every ho no monte e de ya obenya bi asafem ye wa Asante region menye so se asafem nipa wo asafem pa se yese na de obi amra dwuma na ye nhwe wo mom di wo period so ye nye head count e wo asafem a that's the one why you doing for so many years asafem for me do 100
30 kromu 30 ashe from staff nyina inu security obia marketing ho ahwan obia nu 30
Kabebuza said na what the drivers ka ho
oh
na mo
na drivers ni bi ho no area waka ho
mo ni driver wo asfm
driver no ha na eni okolin so free mo ano no
okay na o man fm so no ye driver no ye no a camera person no a camera person. I remember said 2020 elections no it was a pickups be by omo and na honorable maye baako e wo adwuma mu honom. That was the only car na you use no honom. Ti no kwa driver no we camera person it assignment balance onu be ko bia
na the car no
and onu be tuta car so we tu a
na no me ko kumase no wuntumi kumase omo wo metro man bi ho pa challenge
gate wo no
say masa omo ye safe
say be obie gate na ma
omo ye safe pa na say hide
obia ye safe
metro man no metro mo ko pe metro man
amodi ni metro mu obia ye safe ahodi nya metro mu
na bra enu sen
da sepi na me ka say me ma ye adwuma
enu 30
me ma ye adwuma wo Ken City Media da as at the time me free ho no both the two and no man FM na ye staff enu 50 what I say minimum say see no say e bro sa dia and ye ka asefo say enu 30 so na preview e wa sinfusu omo ye say be 15 bi as say enti no other companies no sa steel factory na kwaku ya na omoka no steel factory do onwie sa steel factory kwaku onwie na wo pineapple o juice factory ba ko bi e wo asin side hall ya no so e close down no enye ne Saturday ni asebu ya ese orobo makokre komanti erizi e na wudu so eso na make so wo cold stores ni
ade template no omo publish a template be of
I me na me hwehwe mi hu
o me hu me Eric Mpacho mo fan to so ni hwade
ai waku
mo fan to so ni
me ka cold stores no obi ka kire me say obi a wo so wanim ho kire me say cold stores na honorable wo no facility na eye ne dia na emom no wasablet dia ma enkofo e na omom di eye adwuma eto omom ye adwuma no enyo honorable etu omoka what did the maker say it's about bed say warehouse na udama wobi e na wono udama wobi ba kwa na fa nipa wo mu ye adwuma ntino they are in his employment they are not in your employment etino and America na you said the tone very right say adwuma die kwaku da sabi bedre sa enwu ya boto si apart So wouldn't say I saw me say me my ABC News. That's it. And I'm my ABC Communication. It's the best for kakra wo. That's a bread here. That's a bread would I have na me hwehwe no. That's a bread would be a chikwaseti up office. And the scanner. It is it is so sure now. Was say Ken Ohene Japan, the job creator. Ken Ohene Japan has employed both graduates and non-graduates in Ghana. Ken City Media Limited, the Benetune, Oman FM, where they FM, and then NAP Radio. Okay, and a cold store, no. Anyway, well, whom you are Canadian Shay. Asempa cold store. And at the park cold store, me boy. And then back said the very cold store. BB cold store. And as back say Adrian Park cold store. Ko biom kakra bia na kia hwade. Yehu Central Sugar. Yehu Amantin Agro. Yehu Ashanti Steel. And yehu aha. O why ade? Now tin biom say na no aka tum za first no. And tiwe ya Adrian Park cold store. At the Siman cold store. At the park cool store, as a park cool store. Well, I think it's joy and yet. And no, I say a man for country. Car company, anybody do said the wise, but said one. Begins a bit. It's where the honorable can Japan and its team, the companies are one in name. Can you tell me? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, as I say. 12 there be 12 say be after the pattern be after the pattern I say 120 now cast wa fend pa 120 we be boy say but so that the make can say yes be after the pattern and say wa fund the pattern per each factory and that company you betima boy somebody say wa yard na momo no say no 7,000 ne dia you be challenge we say the 7,000 no produce the 7,000 some was at steel. First Ghanaian owned steel factory. And no company a year juma na year juma.
Say under construction.
Under construction. Fruit land a he fa the wo.
And na
yeah that was yeah agro. Amantin agro no so wa he fa. And Central Sugar no ya know we here.
It doesn't exist.
No, it's when we me so we send the mommy. Na yin Asempa cold store, at the park cold store at the smart market. Na baby adopa ye kwato to ayin. Anyway, it is sanity. You be hwehwe. Now we are challenging say 7,000 per list with you. 7,000 nya nokre. Nya nokre.
Na uni
when you kofa we buy no. Wo mo expose Kennedy Japan too much.
Na no.
Mo entry sign no.
Amanfo betimi ye free so. Amanfo ko ye interview. Anko interview na bo Kennedy Japan ni pa no ba ko. Na omu bisa no mo question on the factories are. Na omu bu afusa didn't no mo bisa questions about the factories and about job creation. Simple as that. We know say unsro accountability a. So opeso only the MP na lead the idea. Then you should be ready for accountability. So I can say me publish it.
Na kwa den.
How's it saying?
Wasi Peter Pan fu nyina kan workers no ho wate. Zongo Janse market nyina.
Okay. Dia na esa. Na ujina high surgery.
We see Isaac Ajayi is since 4 months. Why workers on community police no pay on a zone or they buy no. Well, join here. Now follow so the other way Facebook. Na ni nkomo kakra. Na me movie on no. BBS ya. Na ya I don't know why people we revere, people we respect, offices that we hold high esteem, will lower the bar and do certain things. Sir, when you do that, opportunity no man nipa binum so comes after you.
They can punch you if you open the window and the doors.
Achim assume kronti hene.
Okay.
Nana Bodi Amponim Obodade the third. Or the assembly to Gianfranco. In as much as assembly any opinion of which he is entitled to, nobody can begrudge Nana on that. But maybe Jidi say the way a manner it was couched was a bit problematic. Yentie Nana in Samoa or the two Ija. Maybe
I tell you today, I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just Sankwas. Compared, I call them the Sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the Sankwas 5, Dr. Baumia, Honorable Kennedy Japan, Dr. Brian Champong, Edichum, Honorable Kwabneje, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama here. You see, let me one by one so it makes more sense.
Franco. My issue is that me want send me you know and person make one. Let's state it clear.
Yes.
Sa agenda no ani pa bi no starting it won't stand. John Mahama is not coming again.
Dabi.
Yemma sa de no enye clear.
It's a third time of Mahama.
Yes. You see Muko open sa floodgate no.
Yes.
Hwe asofo binom.
Yes.
Nhimfo binom. CSOs binom.
Yes.
Ni media personalities bi.
Yes.
Enna
Efuale ade no.
Not efuale, a well calculated and planned.
For Mama to come for a test.
Yes. So, Mr. When Muya, about that time, Penino, Matana Crabon about
yes.
Satama de Saba, I don't know because of Debbie. He respect the constitution of the republic.
Yes. Obekoni 2 times.
And he 2 times, yeah. Some open South flat gate in kind. Na mama kwan ota Ghana constitution no. Na mama any third term bi asia. Obi obeba bi ono so beka so per fourth term no. Betia ota constitution no awuram bi.
Yes.
Ye democracy na ye dey pride ye ho no na wey.
Yes.
Democracy no a ye dey pride ye ho as Ghanaians no. Mesra mo.
Yes.
Mesra him for no ne asofo no binum a mo ne nam na mo preach sa agenda no. Messi 31st night I beko. Odi obeti I plan
to do what?
Omo beshan kom nyame say they have seen that Ghanaians they overcome omo adwedwe for nyame. Nyame say as a sapani ne kom nyame nkare. Nyame nkare. Baby amokoje dia whatever it is that you are benefiting. Please and please your mind asumde om.
Yes.
Yen me I'm over 40.
Yes.
Yen yadi abenyini ababe duru babi ye Franco, what I am saying is that asumduen ye from Rollins time. Edia ba dia babe duru ene obi akọ
2 times.
And 3.
Yes.
Obi atwe 2 and 3.
Hey, goodness.
Enti nya fei. And obi no be agenda bia dia babe ye but I am ya and na me kan people you revere. People you respect, people you hold their office in high esteem. So, osum nyame or ye way. Na people and you also for panibi or chromo ha. On this of panibi power Ghana ha and kasa.
Really?
But ni papa no.
Really?
Because they want to force that thing on his neck. They want to force it on his neck.
And come and prophesy.
And he's refusing.
And come and prophesy.
Yes.
Hey.
But it's 31st night. Ontario.
Hey.
31st night. Udia, you are in this country.
Now, no, me catch you. Don't be surprised if you see your mama coming for a third.
But
thank
when the time comes, we'll deal with it.
Thank you.
And Nana, Buadi Amponim Obo Dade the third.
Yes.
A respected Achim Assume Kronti Hene. Nana, your opinion is your opinion. But you see, when you describe Nipanum, well educated, they have done good and almost failed as Sankwas.
This go and check their CV.
Now, first time, Nipanum no say omo ye Sankwas.
Hey,
Nana, Sebi udi domenim.
yes.
Udi domenim pa. Me. What's a man who can yina no? Eye wa. Eye dia upe.
Yes.
Dia wa hu na upe so kan.
Yes.
But the word omo ye Sankwas.
Yes.
And try ye. We are so be the Pandora's box.
Thank you.
Oh, money pabinum akwenya to also come after you.
Yeah.
Nana, I think if people use filthy words against you,
You'll not be happy.
you will not be happy
You'll not be happy at all.
because you are a father,
yes.
you are a husband,
A breadwinner of your family.
you are a chief.
Yes.
You lead people.
Yeah, you lead a certain kind of
Sanko
people.
for ya, what from Sankwasi?
Yes.
They are husbands.
Yes.
They are family members.
Thank you.
I mean, they have done well for themselves.
Ah.
They have businesses. They have gone to school.
Yeah.
They have done all that.
Yes.
You can easily put it that you don't think any of them can be president.
Nice one.
And that's
That
not
is
a problem.
communication. There be a catch us a communication.
But
powerful too.
to go back and call these people Sankwas, Nana, if certain young people descend on you, I'm not sure you'll be happy.
You can't even hold the fire. You
Nana say in as much as watch the HD for
Yes.
yeah, almost no.
Yes.
Almost watch HD for.
Thank you.
Me say, tell people when you even go back,
Yes.
the other year Kennedy Japan crowd it was
Really?
dirty.
really?
Yes. The other year Kennedy or in Japan crowd it was more dirty. I don't hold any grudges.
Hey.
But they mean a hammer any those words. And in the position, ni dibia,
Yes.
there are certain people who hold them high in esteem.
Yes.
There are certain people who respect them and respect their office. So when you